everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. It is Saturday and me and my mom are going to head to the mall. I'm going to be doing some inside the dressing rooms for you guys. I haven't posted a video in a few weeks and I just kind of like took a little bit of a break from YouTube. I was feeling a little bit uninspired, unmotivated to film, and I haven't been shopping because I am saving because me and my mom are going to Disney World for my birthday in April. So I'm trying to save up for that because Disney's like #1 and I know when I get there I'm going to be spending a ton of money. So I've been saving for that, so I haven't been doing many hauls, so I wanted to get a inside the dressing room in there for you guys. So that's what I'm going to go film today, and I think we might go grab some sushi for lunch because I've been craving sushi. So that's the plan right now. I'm gonna film probably later some videos as well. And yeah, so I just wanted to check in. Welcome to the vlog. Let's go shopping. So we're inside the dressing room at Forever 21. I'm trying on some stuff. So I will have the inside the dressing room linked because it will be up before this vlog. With this jazzy music. We're at Forever 21 and I just filmed it inside the dressing room. Don't know how good that's gonna go, but I love this. We can only film so much in this little section because their music in the store is so freaking loud. So, shopping. So it is Sunday morning and I wanted to show you guys this box that I got sent to me yesterday from Pinchme. If you guys don't know what Pinchme is, it is a website that allows everyday people, it doesn't have to be YouTube, like anyone could try this. You can sign up to get free samples. It lets you discover new products. You can test out new products, and sometimes they're sample size or actually full size items, which is awesome. I've used Pinchme in the past before they even contacted me. You just go on their website and choose the samples that they're offering to give, and then you pick the ones that you want to try. And they upload their samples every second Tuesday of the month. So the next one is going to be January 23rd at noon. So if you guys sign up with my link down below, you guys can go ahead and pick your samples on that Tuesday at noon. It's kind of like a first come first serve basis. So if you get on there right away at noon, you'll be ensured to get the best pick of selection of samples that they're giving away. So this is what the box looks like. So when you get it, it's just a box. It says Pinchme. Looks like this, and these are some of the things that they might send you in your box. Like you can get pet care items, beauty products, cleaning products, snacks, and all kinds of stuff. So if you guys like that kind of thing, you should sign up for Pinchme. I'll leave my link below. Let me show you guys some of the things that they sent in my box. So the first thing that we have here is these Carbona Super White with Opti Bright Technology laundry whitening sheets. So you get 2 free samples of these. The next thing that I have here is a Kashi, I don't know how to say this brand of granola bars. So these are chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bars. So as you guys can see, this is a full size sample, and this one obviously is a small sample. So the next thing we have is an RX bar. This is a protein bar. It has 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates. Looks like this. And again, if you have like food allergies and stuff like that, you are the one picking your samples. They're not the one just like sending them to you. So you kind of have a choice of what you want to get, because obviously I cannot have these peanut things because I have a slight peanut allergy. So next thing I have here is the Think Thin Protein and Probiotic Plant-Based Vanilla Bean Protein Powder. So this is really good for after I work out. And I've never tried that brand either. A lot of the times these are brands that you haven't even tried before. So the next thing I have here is these Blue Diamond Almond Mini Nutri-Thins, a hint of salt. These are like rice cracker snacks. And one of my coworkers at work, she eats these all the time and she really likes them. So I've seen those before. The next thing I have is this Sugru moldable glue. And this is just so you can like make little things to hang your keys on. And then also they have where you can put it actually on your iPhone cords. Here's my dog. So you can actually put these on your iPhone cords and it will, if my camera focuses, it will help like prevent that breakage that you get all the time. Like everyone gets it. So next time my iPhone breaks, I'm gonna try this. This is what the little sample looks like. And then the last thing I have here, which is a full-size product, is the Dr. Sheffield's Extra Whitening Toothpaste. It's fluoride-free. It helps to remove stains for a whiter, brighter smile. Looks like this. It's a full-size sample, you guys, so it's really, really awesome. And like I said, you can either get, you know, just a small sample or a large sample. And then I also forgot to show you guys this Hydrating Argan Hair Mask. It's deep conditioning and hydration for softer, silkier, healthier looking hair. Looks like this. So this is something that I'm definitely gonna try because I love hair masks. So yeah, that's basically everything that you get in your Pinchme box. You don't always get this many products. I think you can choose up to 2 samples. So definitely sign up with my link below. It'll be the first link in the description box. I don't get anything from this. It's free, and like I said, Pinchme is 100% free. So if you like trying free stuff and you like getting little packages in the mail, this is the perfect little thing to join. And like I said, it's 100% free. So me and my mom are gonna head over to Walmart now. I have some grocery shopping to do, but I just wanted to include this in there because Pinchme was so kind to send this to me. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys a little bit later. All right, guys, so I just got home from Walmart and the grocery store. I had to get some stuff for lunch, trying to eat healthier. As I say that, I'm about to eat a bag of Takis, but I've been craving Takis. And I'm editing my video, about to upload it. I'm also listening to the David Dobrik and Jason Nash podcast. I'm like catching up on all of them. I recently came across her channels because of Trisha Paytas, and I've been hooked on the David Dobrik videos and Jason Nash videos. And David Dobrik is actually from Illinois as well. Like, he's from Vernon Hills, Illinois, which is kind of close to where, I mean, it's not close, but it's probably about 30-40 minutes from where I am. So like, I thought that was so cool. But I've been like obsessed with his videos and Jason Nash videos. So I'm editing my video. It's gonna go up in like a half hour or so, and then I'm gonna start editing this vlog. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a super short vlog. Make sure you sign up for Pinchme. The link will be down below because they are picking their samples are starting on the 23rd. So make sure you guys sign up for that. And that is pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. And I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye, guys.